Hey there, dropshippers! Welcome back to Ecom Parkour, your destination for the latest dropshipping insights. Today, we're diving into the top 5 dropshipping products to sell in January 2025. These trending products are perfect for capitalizing on the winter vibes and consumer demands. First up, we have the AntiCellulite Massager, priced at $49.99. This innovative device combines red light therapy, EMS technology, and cupping therapy to reduce cellulite and improve skin firmness. It's perfect for anyone kickstarting a self-care routine in the new year. With its high perceived value and proven benefits, this is a must-add to your store. Next, stay warm and stylish with fleece-lined tights, available for $29.99. These ultra-soft tights are perfect for cold weather comfort and versatile enough for casual outings or winter workouts, an ideal pick for fashion-conscious customers. Third on the list is the Wander Plus Travel Pillow, priced at $39. With its ergonomic design, this pillow provides full neck and head support, ensuring a comfortable travel experience. Whether it's for frequent flyers or road trippers, this product is a game changer for January's travel crowd. Coming in at number 4 is the Persea Natural Scalp Scrub, priced at $29.99. This all-natural exfoliating scrub removes buildup, soothes inflammation, and promotes healthy hair growth. A perfect fit for anyone looking to refresh their hair care routine in 2025. And finally, we have the PeelOff Lip Liner Stain, priced at $29.99 with a buy one, get two free offer. This waterproof, smudge-proof liner delivers long-lasting, vibrant color for beauty lovers. A great option for those seeking low-maintenance, high-impact makeup. Now that you've seen the top 5 dropshipping products to sell in January 2025, don't forget to join our communities on Telegram and Discord. Links are in the description below, where we will be sharing more products regularly. Also, we're uploading a video in a couple of days explaining exactly how we research these winning products. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Let's make 2025 the year of success for your dropshipping business.